I've always been a very shy person, and it can make things hard. It's hard in jobs because you have to talk to a lot of people. It's hard just to make friends. You know, everybody has challenges that they go through. But I realized that it doesn't help to sit around and mope about things. I think that makes you a little bit more miserable.
I have always just known you just need to get stuff done. There's no point in complaining about something. It just makes it a worse situation.
But it's helped a lot to be able to kind of just have a class to teach here and then realize it's going to be okay. You know, there's people watching me, but it's fine, and that they really just are there to learn.
I've also learned to celebrate successes, however small they may be.
One of the nicest things that I've loved about working here is that we have customers and all the coworkers, and they're all super friendly and kind.
I love coming here, and whether we have like a super crazy busy day, I know that there's going to be at least like 5 jokes that's told throughout the day, and it's just going to make my day.
These people are fun to be around. I think we're very, very close here.
I've never worked with a kinder group of folks than we do here at Girlfriends.
I think one of the reasons that I have a positive mindset is I haven't always been that way. Sometimes it's been hard for me to be positive, but I've realized that if I'm positive, it makes me happier. It makes me want to be more kind to people. I'm not focusing on, you know, the wrong things. I'm focusing on what we actually can do with the situation, and it just helps you in a lot of different ways. You're just a lot happier, I think.